This video will explain partitioning. When we partition, we break large numbers into smaller, more manageable numbers. We do this so that the smaller units are easier to work with. Partitioning is a way of visualizing sums. When we break large numbers into smaller, more manageable digits, it makes it easier for us to calculate them in our heads or mentally. So let's go through a few examples. If you've got a piece of paper and a pencil or pen, feel free to join in. Okay, so let's partition the number 1234. I always find it helpful to add in place value columns when partitioning. Let's first look at the first digit. So we've got our thousands column and there's a 1, which represents 1000. Next up, we've got 2, which is in the hundreds column, so it represents 200. Then you've got your tens column, which is a 3 and represents 30. And finally, your units column, which has a 4, which obviously represents 4. Now in this example, we've taken 1234 and we've broken it apart into more manageable, smaller numbers. We can also use partitioning when working out simple addition. Now you may possibly be able to work this out in your head already, but what we can do to make it easier is partition the number, break it apart into smaller, more manageable chunks. Here, we first looked in the hundreds column for both numbers. You've got 200 and 100, 200 and 100. If you add those two together, your total is 300. Then you simply look into your tens column. You've got 1, which is 10, and a 3, which is 30. So it's 10 add 30, which equals 40. Then finally, you've simply got to add your 5 and 4, which are in your units column, which equals 9. Then what you see is that we've broken this sum here into smaller, more manageable parts. So now you've got 300 add 40 add 9, which equals 349. So 215 add 134 is 349.